support lang po talaga dito sa sport na to. Itong boxing combat.
Mr. President, I quote His Honor just now, no? Hindi pwedeng magkamali dito, buhay ang nakataya. I understand, Mr. President. I understand, truly. Pero my question remains, meron bang hindi ginawa ang GAB na nakasakit sa atleta? Meron ba silang pagkukulang na ikinamatay po ng boxers natin? Or even hindi kinamatay, ha? I will not wait for them to die. I am with you on that. Pero have put them in, yung nailagay sila sa alanganin, that not all the precautions that could be given to them, because it is a dangerous sport. It is a sport that sobrang paghahanga ko sa inyo na araw-araw nag-iensayo pa lang kayo, alam yung ang kakaharapin nyo is buhay yung nakataya. Iba talaga yung paghanga ko sa atletang kayang gumawa ng ganyan. And that's why I also want to ensure your safety. When I say your, all the boxers and combat sports participants out there. But I need to know na saan nagkulang ang GAB para masabi natin na hindi pwedeng mailagay sila sa ganung lugar. Hindi pwedeng mapabayaan. Nagpabaya ho ba? Kasi magkikreate ho tayo ng bagong entity based on your bill. Gagastos tayo, and to put it bluntly, because of course, ayoko naman hong masyado tayong mahabang oras, no? Sa dami ng kailangan gawin during this time of COVID, nabanggit ko nga kanina sa mga senators na nandito, inaantay ko din sana na magkaroon ng Department of Waters dahil kung virus ang hinaharap natin today that has affected every single Filipino, the lack of water will also affect every single Filipino. I don't know if in half a decade, in when, but it will happen. At wala tayong Department of Water. And I don't believe it's a priority. So I'm just curious, every time I hear that there will be a new agency, magtatanong talaga ho ako. Dahil marami akong nakikitang agencies na kailangang itayo, and I feel that it is only responsible for each one of us to ensure that with the limited resources we have, mailagay talaga natin yon sa ikabubuti ng karamihan. Not to deprive anyone. And that's why nagbuhos tayo ng pondo sa National Academy of Sports. And His Honor supported that also. So ito, boxing lang. Boxing and the many boxers. I say lang only because I mean one sport, not to diminish it. So for the boxers only and for their protection, yes, I support. But how? What difference? Kasi nga, you have to tell me, His Honor, I want to know saan hindi nakadeliver ang GAB. Kailan na ilagay sa peligro ang buhay ng mga atleta dahil sa pagkukulang ng GAB. Dahil sabi niyo nga, marami silang sports na iniintindi. So kailan sila hindi nakapagbigay ng tamang guidance, tamang support? Kasi nakita ko naman yung mga rules na sinusundan nila, yung mga registration requirements, yung licensing, yung pre-game submissions. Nakita ko naman na may ganon. So gusto ko lang maintindihan, hindi ba nila na-implemento ng maayos? Kaya kailangan tayo gumawa ng another body?
Mr. President, my point is hindi naman doon sa hindi nila kayang doon. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang naman dito, Mr. President, ang in-explain ko is yung marami silang hinahandle na sports. So itong boxing kasi, kakaibang sport ito na kailangan mong mag-focus at pagtuunan ng pansin na walang ibang ginatupag o inesikaso kundi boxing lang at itong combat sport lang. So yan po yung sentiment ko. Ako hindi naman ako gagawa ng ganitong batas kung hindi ko experience yan, kung hindi ko naramdaman yan. Yan po yung sentiment ko as a boxer.
Yes, and Your Honor, na we understand His Honor's sentiment and passion. Pero we have to base our decisions on facts. So kaya ako humihingi ng facts na saan ho nagkulang ang GAB. Kasi I want them to be accountable kung may pagkukulang sila. Because if His Honor's new creation will, and that's one of my next questions, will require a certain amount of funding, unless wala hong pondong kailangan dito, iba namang usapan yon. We need to know. Kasi ang tagal ho natin diniprive ang mga Filipino athletes of a world-class stadium. Finally, nabigay natin. Pero ang makikinabang doon, ang daming iba-ibang sports, di ba? So ngayon, ang makikinabang dito, boxers and combat sports participants. But so far, hindi nyo nasasabi kung ano ba yung hindi nabibigay sa kanila. Kasi I hope you understand, pero andito si Senator Gatchalian, gagamitin ko na lang siyang example. Tatawa siya. Nung ini-interpolate ko din yung bill niya sa special education, ganoon din yung mga tanong ko na sasabihin natin na magdi-deliver tayo ng ganito sa mga nanay ng mga batang pinanganak na may kapansanan. Mag-e-expect ho sa atin 'yan. Siguraduhin natin na yung ipapangako natin kaya natin ibigay at saka bakit natin tinatanggal sa isang grupo ilalagay sa ibang grupo. That has to be justified, Your Honor, kasi otherwise nagpapalit lang ho ba tayo ng tao? Yun lang ho ba yung issue doon? Leadership lang? Hindi ko talaga kailangan ho factual yung basis natin to remove the powers over one sport and create another agency altogether. I mean, the creation of new agencies has to be always justified because there's never enough resources. And
Thank you.
nabanggit ko nga yung tubig. Wala nga tayong Department of Water. Tapos paghihiwalayin natin yung nag-aasikaso ho ng athletes natin based on one particular sport. So, kailangan ko ho lang maintindihan.
Yes, thank you, Mr. President, for explaining that. It's clear to me. Ngayon, hindi naman kasi pinipigilan ko lang yung sarili ko, baka sabihin sinisiraan ko yung GAB. GAB, malaking naitulong sa sport, sa boxing, especially boxing. Ito po yung experience ko na marami pong nag-retire na boxer na wala pong natanggap na pension, wala pong benepisyo na natanggap sa GAB. Yun po yung ibig ko sabihin, isa na po yan sa mga especially pension, nag-retire sila, walang mga pension, walang kawawa sila. Yun po, isa na po yun sa mga, hindi ko lang po isa siguro, ipakasbahin nila kasi talaga sinisira ko yung GAB. Maganda naman yung ginawa ng GAB, pero ang ibig kong sabihin, yung makapupo sila sa boxing.
So, Mr. President, is His Honor saying na dito sa bill niya, one of the key provisions is to provide them for a pension or some kind of retirement pension? Is that the objective?
Yes, that's one of the objectives, Mr. President. Pension at saka protection, insurance.
So bakit hindi na lang natin ibuhos yung pera para dun nga sa benefits na yon? Kasi kung walang pagkukulang ang GAB sa implementation ng kanilang tungkulin, like is it in the law now that they provide for a pension? Because if it is and they're not complying with it, then we hold them accountable. We find out why. But if it's not, and I'm not aware that it is, please point it out to me, then they're not liable for that. But that's a provision that we can support easily, as opposed to creating another entity.
Not only that, Mr. President, also provide a pension and healthcare benefits, Mr. President. Nasa Section 16 po yan sa bill na ito. Mababasa po yan doon yung social pension and healthcare benefits. Doon po yan.
So again, I ask my question, Mr. President. If this is what is important to His Honor, and GAB has not failed in implementing the law, then why not create a law, or even if by way of healthcare, we don't need a law for that. We can, I think we can do that by way of MOA, and I think there is something in the works. Okay, there's an existing MOA apparently, according to GAB, with DOH for the medical services, no? Yung sa pension, iba yan. We might have to create that by law. Then that's what we create, the pension by law, and not another entity, because until now, I still haven't heard the reason why it has to be removed from GAB, because they seem to be compliant with what their obligations are. And we can create that law providing for the pensions and whatever other security that a boxer or combat art athlete needs.
Mr. President, the proposed measure has a similar situation with PhilRACOM due to the complexity of horse racing. There was a need to add more focus on the sport. Former President Marcos issued PD 420 to create the Philippine Horse Racing Commission, which has different functions from the GAB. And po ang pinagkaiba, Mr. President. In 2018, GAB only released a total amount of 15,000 from the Boxers Welfare Fund. Promoters would be forced to pay the medical expenses of their boxers under their stable because the claiming procedure was stringent and the assistance given was minimal, Mr. President. It would range from 2,000 to 5,000 only, Mr. President.
Mr. President, may I ask His Honor to educate me? What is the life of a professional boxer like in terms of their livelihood? I am only familiar with amateur athletes who receive an allowance, and then I'm quite familiar with professional athletes in other fields like runners, triathletes. They usually have sponsors who give them fixed amount, maybe cover certain expenses. So how is it in boxing? Is there a sharing of their winnings? How does it work? Is there a group of investors who will invest in them and not earn anything and hope that they have a winning boxer? And then how does it work? Kindly educate this representation.
Ang boxer, Mr. President, binabayaran, may premium siya every fight, and then pero nagbabayad siya ng licensing, commission, percentage, and then medical payments, lahat nagbabayad. At ang problema lang, Mr. President, I'm hoping yung mga ibang mga professional boxer pag retire, may tumutulong sa kanila, may benepisyo sila na matanggap. Kaya po itong napaka-importante itong kanila. So, dahil po, para po, kahit pa paano, hindi naman po lahat maging Manny Pacquiao eh. Ang ibig ko sabihin, lahat maging Manny Pacquiao ang lahat ng boxers. Kung sino po naging champion, lahat po yan. Nag-retire sa boxing, mahihirap po, at baldado, lahat, walang pension, walang benefits na nakukuha. So yun pong reason doon, ang pinapaintindi ko. I'm not attacking Gab or anything. Pinapaintindi ko yung position ko because that's my experience in life na sa boxing career ko. I'm 42 years old now, I'm turning 43, and I started boxing 12 years old. So, siguro, mahigit sa kalahati sa buhay ko, na-boxing ako, so I know the situation of boxers.
Mr. President, ito bang mga request nyo na ilapit nyo sa GAB at tinanggihan kayo? Or tinanggihan, or walang action?
Mr. President, automatic, the GAB will oppose the creation of Philippine boxing.
No, not the creation, Mr. President. The reasons why you are creating. The reasons you're creating is you're saying that the life of the athletes are always in danger, and therefore you want to protect them more. You want them to have more health protection. You want them to have retirement benefits. So my question is, those are very tangible actions that the Boxing Commission intends to take. Am I correct? To provide those benefits that His Honor mentioned, right?
Mr. President, this concern, magmula pa ito noon pang hindi pa ako champion. Itong mga concern sa mga boxers na ito, mula pa noong panahon pa, siguro 2 dekada na.
Hindi kaya nga, Mr. Presidente, since nandiyan nga po kayo to champion the rights and the welfare of the boxers, nasabi niyo ho ba sa GAB itong mga suggestions niyo, mga request niyo, at tinanggihan ho ba ito? Na ay, hindi natin pwedeng bigyan ng more protection ang boxers, hindi natin pwedeng dagdagan ng benefits nila, wala tayong mabibigay. Ganun ho ba yun? That's why we want to now create a new commission?
Hindi kami nag-usap ng GAB, Mr. President.
So yun, so mababalik ho ako doon. Okay, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Go ahead.
Hindi kami nag-usap ng GAB about talking about the plan for protection of the boxers, ganyan. Ito po itong sinusulong ko po, experience po ito, hindi po ito pinaplanuhan o inisip ng mabuti, kundi based on our experience as a boxer.
Yes, Your Honor, but Your Honor is now putting forward his ideas and experience as a boxer, now as a senator. And doon din ho ako pumapasok kasi binabalance ko din po yung aking passion, experience as an athlete, kasi kung ako lang din, lahat din ang pwede kong gawin as an athlete, ginagawa ko din. Pero as a senator, I then have to take a step back, sometimes think about it, and decide how I can support the athletes, grassroots sports, in the context of all the other issues that confront us in the Senate. So in that sense, ho yung mga line of questions ko. So ito ho bang commission na balak niyong itayo because nga it's your experience, and there is no argument dun sa experience niyo po. I totally understand, appreciate, and believe His Honor's experience. I just still don't understand why it cannot be delivered by GAB, which is the entity that is tasked by law to deliver it. I've been a senator and sat through, I don't know, maybe 4 or maybe even 5 chairpersons of the Philippine Sports Commission. Ang experience ko po more of sa Philippine Sports Commission, hindi ho sa GAB. And for the life of me, I've disagreed with many of them most of the time. Most of the time, many times. Hindi ako kontento sa trabaho nila, hindi ako kontento sa support na binibigay nila sa athletes. But I never considered putting another agency because I truly believe in the system that perhaps the next leader, the sense of leadership, would do a better job. And in many times, they do a better job, pero may bagong issue na naman na hindi rin ako kontento. Siguro, that's why nandito tayo, because we're always pushing the bar. We expect more. So doon naman ho ako nanggagaling na ako, I can pinpoint reasons why I would like to, bigyan ko kayo na example. Gusto ko tanggalin sa Philippine Sports Commission kahit anong authority nila over certain athletes, particular student athletes, kasi nagkakagulo yung schools, and yung pagka magaling na sila, they'll represent the country and they become a national team athlete, they fall under PSC. May ano na yan, may away na yan sa jurisdiction. Tapos that same athlete, naging professional player. So 3 na, mahatak sa kanya, yung school niya, well, hindi pa PBA, next step pa yon. Pero yung lumiligaw sa kanya, tapos yung national team, ano na siya, torn. And here I am, just like you, Your Honor, trying to figure out how can we protect them in the best way. And at the end of the day, in as much as I would have wanted to create another agency, I did not because it would not really solve the problems. Kasi nga, hindi masasolve ng ganon. And that's why I just feel very strongly na dapat napipinpoint natin kung ano yung hindi na-deliver ng agency na in charge bago tayo mag-create ng bago. Kasi paano kung wala na si Manny Pacquiao? Maybe under his, not maybe, I am certain with his Honor's leadership and inspiration. Eh marami kayong magagawa for that commission. Paano kung wala na si Manny Pacquiao? Or if you're busy with some other things, which his Honor clearly has proven to get involved in many other things.